Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the notification icon so that you get alerted anytime I release new videos. If you have subscribed, thank you very much for your support. So today, we're going to continue our tutorial series, and we're going to be working with text and finding and replacing text. So finding and replacing text, this is very useful if you need to change a word or a phrase that's used throughout an entire document. This easily lets you find that word or phrase and replace it with a new word or phrase that you need to. This is extremely helpful with very long documents. So you got 20-30 pages and you need to look for anywhere where you may have used the wrong word. You can actually search for all of them and replace all of them all at once. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, as you can see, I have another Word document open. So what we're going to do first is on the Home tab, we're going to go over here to Replace. We're going to click it. Now it brings up a dialog box where you can actually type in what you want to find and then what you want to replace it with. So for this instance, we're going to find my and we're going to replace it with the. Okay? And for this test, we're actually going to hit Replace. You have to click it twice because the first time it finds it, then you click it the second time and it replaces it. Then this dialog box pops up. Now, say for instance that you want to change a lot throughout the document and you don't want to have to see this every time. Well, you don't have to. You can actually just replace all and it would find and replace. Then it'd tell you we made 0 replacements, and that's only because I only had one instance and it was actually already replaced. But if you did replace all, it would actually tell you how many of them you changed. If you don't want to replace something, you can just simply type it in. Let's get rid of that. So you would type in the, since we actually replaced it already. So we'll type in the, and then we will hit find next, and you can actually find it. All right, and it will highlight that word. And if you have a long document, you can just keep hitting next to go through. Of course, I don't have any more, but that is a way that you can go through your document. Now, there's more options right here. More options, very beneficial. This actually allows you to search for text with matching case. You find whole words only. That way, if you're searching for the and that is actually in there, and you don't want to, it to look for and find the and all of these additional words, because you actually only want to look for the word the, then that's what you would select. You can use wildcards. You can do sounds like. Find all word forms. You can match prefix, suffix. You can ignore punctuation and white space characters. Alright, so now I will give you a shortcut to this. So actually a shortcut is if you hold the control key and you hit the F. So control and F, right? Then it brings up your navigation to find the word that you're actually looking for. So this is just another way to find something. So we're going to type in the, and it found one result, and you can hit enter, and it gives you the actual text. Alright, so if we had more, you could just go down through the document and it would find each one. So again, that's just a shortcut. You actually hold the control key and hit the letter F, and that brings up a find, so you can navigate through the document and find whatever words you're looking for as well. Alright, well, that is going to be it for this video. It was another short video, but I don't want to venture out past some of these smaller lessons. I want to make sure you have time to actually practice before we hop into the larger tasks. If you haven't already, again, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe. You have a good night. I'll talk to you later.